Hello students, welcome again in new session of learning. Today we are going to discuss about typecasting. So typecasting simply say that actually in C programming, when we convert one data type to another, then that becomes typecasting. Means convert the one type to another. Like suppose if you have int, then you can convert that int into float. If you have float, you can convert that into double, so that becomes typecasting. Next is the what are the types of typecasting? There are two types. First is the implicit and next is the explicit. Implicit, it is also called automatic type conversion, means computer converts the data itself. After some time I'll give you an example. And in this explicit, what happens, the programmer or the users, they do themselves forceful conversion, and the conversion mostly it goes from the low level to high level, that is from byte to short, short to int to long, long to float, double, float to double, maybe long to double, or maybe int to double, maybe short to double. But in reverse order it cannot go. I mean that from double to float we cannot convert, from double to long we cannot convert, from double to int we cannot convert. Means low level to high level we can go, but in reverse order it cannot be. Now to be more clear, let's take an example of automatic type conversion. So going to open the compiler. Let's take two variables. Another is float. Let's save it. Now let's run it. We can see our output is 8.5. Now how? We have taken a equals to 5, that is the integer value. Next is a b, that is floating type of value, and its value 3.5. So whenever we go for the multiplication or use that addition operation, since we are performing integer and float at same time, so because of float, int is converted into float. So this a, that is 5, it also becomes float, that is 5.00, and computer goes for addition and we'll get the output from c. So why the output is 8.5. In this, computer is converting into float itself, so this is called implicit type of conversion. It's very simple there. So in most of the cases, if we don't supply, then the computer converts our data from one to another itself. I hope actually it is clear to you. Now next is the explicit. In explicit, what happens? We convert ourselves. Here, same example I'm going to show you. Suppose we are going to divide int by int. Suppose here is next value. Now float C. Let's divide a by b. So in this what happens, a is integer, b is also integer. So what the rule says that when we divide integer by integer, then actually we'll get the integer as an output. So let's run it. We can see here output is 1.0, but output actually it would be more than 1.00. So we are not getting what we are expecting. So for this we have to use typecasting. For that we have to convert a into float. For that we have to simply put float here. Now so this becomes explicit conversion. This becomes explicit conversion. A is converted into float. Once it is converted, so conversion that division takes place, and after that we will get the output. Let's run the program. We can see here previously it was 1.00, now we are getting 1.666. So this is the correct output we have to get in this program, and this is called explicit conversion. That is forceful conversion, and for the forceful conversion we have to put the data type we want to convert into inside the parentheses. I hope you understood about the type conversion. So nothing more is here. In most of the programming, whatever, sometimes it is needed there. And if it is not needed, then we don't go for conversion. I hope you understood about this one. In next session, we will be talking about some other videos related to the programs. Till then, thank you.